Okay, let's take a look at activity 8.1. She made some tarts. Noah will select one card at random from a standard deck of cards. Find the probabilities, explain or show your reasoning. Okay, so first things first, we know we have a standard deck of cards down here. And if we total things up, there are 4 different suits and 13 in each suit. So if we take 4 times 13, that gets us 52 total cards. So we know we have 52 total. So that means our probabilities up here are going to be all out of 52. Okay. And now if we take a look at part 1, the probability it's a queen. So now we go into our deck here and we take a look at all the queens. I count them. I've got 1, 2, 3, 4. I'm highlighting them in blue down here. And that's 4 out of 52, which if you want to get fancy simplifies to 1 out of 13. How about the next one? The card's a heart. All right, well, let me pull out the eraser here and let me get rid of this. So now we're looking for hearts. So if I take a look at hearts, hearts are here in this row. So if I highlight all of these and I count them, I've got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13 of them. And that's 13 out of 52, which again, if you want to simplify, is 1 out of 4. Now, what's the probability that it's a queen and a heart? So I go back and I highlight my queen column, and I can see that the intersection between those two is this one right here. There is only one card out of the deck that is both a queen and a heart. Okay, great. So now we keep that in mind, and now they want us to take a look at the next example. What if Elena only pulls out the hearts from the deck and sets the rest of the cards aside? She shuffles the hearts and draws one card. What's the probability that she gets a queen? Okay, so now we have trimmed down our overall pool. It's no longer out of 52 total cards. She only pulled out the hearts. So what's our denominator here? What's our total pool that we're pulling from? Well, that's going to be 13. There's only 13 hearts in the deck. Out of these that we have over here, how many of them are queens? Well, that's one of them. There's only one queen over here in the deck, so that gets me my answer of 1 out of 13. So you can see the difference between those two problems. In the original set of problems, it was out of the total, out of all decks or cards in a deck of cards. Then we put the condition on that it had to be hearts. So that's going to change your denominator. It's no longer out of 52. It's now out of 13 because you're not looking at all cards. You're only looking at the hearts.